Understanding the phrase, hold for applause. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, hold for applause. This phrase is not only common in English-speaking cultures, but it also offers a fascinating glimpse into social interactions and public speaking. Let's dive in. Hold for applause is a phrase used primarily in the context of public speaking, performances, or presentations. It instructs the speaker or performer to pause their speech or action, anticipating that the audience will clap or applaud. This phrase highlights a moment of recognition or appreciation by the audience. It's important to understand that this isn't a literal command to the audience to applaud. Rather, it's a direction for the speaker or performer on how to time their delivery. While hold for applause is primarily used in theatrical or formal speaking settings, its usage can vary. 1. Theatrical performances. In plays or live shows, actors might pause after a significant line or scene, giving the audience time to react with applause. 2. Public speaking. A speaker might use this phrase in their notes as a reminder to pause after a powerful statement or conclusion. 3. In formal settings, sometimes, it's used humorously among friends or in informal gatherings after someone makes a witty remark or announcement. This phrase also sheds light on the cultural practices of audience interaction and public recognition. In many English-speaking cultures, applause is a common way to show appreciation or agreement. Understanding when and how to use hold for applause can be crucial for effective communication and audience engagement in these cultural contexts. That's all for our exploration of hold for applause. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about how they are used in social and cultural contexts. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.